నేషనల్ పవర్ లిఫ్టింగ్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ పోటీలు హైదరాబాద్ ఎల్బీ స్టేడియంలో జరుగుతున్నాయి. ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు మహారాష్ట్ర నుంచి రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి లక్కరాజు బసవయ్య రావు మనతో ఉన్నారు. ఆయన ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఈ పవర్ లిఫ్టింగ్ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నాడు, ఆయనకి ప్రస్తుతం ఆయన ఏజ్ ఎంత, ఇప్పటివరకు ఆయన చేసినటువంటి ఆయన పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినటువంటి ఛాంపియన్షిప్లు ఎన్ని అనేది ఆయన మాటల్లో తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. హలో సార్.
నమస్కారం అండి.
మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారు?
ఈ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ నేను మహారాష్ట్ర త్రూ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నానండి. అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడితే
చెప్పండి. సో మీరు ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఎంత స్ట్రగుల్ చేసి మీరు ఈ స్టేజ్కి?
యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ వాజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇన్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఫర్ అ లాంగ్ టైమ్. It includes a lot of very hard work, dedication. There is no two ways about it. There is no shortcut to success. I was actually playing this game before in 1980-81, but then when I got a job, I went abroad because this sport was not a paying sport. You should not get any money. When I came back to Bombay, one of my coaches by the name Mr. G.D. Pai, he told me, called me to the gym, and I went to the gym. He said, "You have got a lot of strength. Why don't you get into powerlifting?" So for the last 12 years, under his guidance, I started to start training. But then he used to train me 3 hours a day for 4 days a week. And in the off days, I had to do a lot of other exercises to keep myself fit and to get a lot of speed in my body. So dedication actually takes around 4 to 5 hours of hard work every day. And then all your habits have to be perfect. You cannot play the fool. You have to get good rest. And your mind, everything has to be set at one particular place, so then you can work out and do well. So he coached me. Unfortunately, after 2 years of 1 year of his coaching, he passed away. There's a gentleman called Sambhaji Dalvi, who was his disciple, who told me, "I will train you further and I will see that we fulfill our Guru's wishes." Then I started training under him. Right from 2012 onwards, from the first time when I played powerlifting, I represented Bombay district, then the Bombay state. Then after 2 or 3 years of hard work, then I started representing Maharashtra on a regular basis every year. So I have so far represented Maharashtra in more than 5 or 6 national championships. Once I was always also invited to participate in the international meet, but due to some work constraints, I could not go. This job, this sort of sport needs a lot of hard work and dedication. Nothing should push you away from that focus. Single-minded dedication. This you have to do for everything in life. Now, if I can just go on the topic and say, okay, what you're doing also need dedication. It's not, I cannot do what you're doing. So for all those things, you need to have good dedication. You have to have good people around you who always gives you, positive advice and ask you to do the right things in life. Then anybody and everybody will succeed. There is no shortcut to success in anything in life, including sport.
So now your age.
My
about your age and your nutrition also.
Acha, my age is, as of now, I'm 72 years old. I eat normally what is, cooked at home by my wife. That is the normal Andhra and Telangana recipe. The rice, sambar, then the curds and all the vegetables that she make. But what I do is I take a different sort of, what you call lentils and sprouts, like moong dal and all those things. And every day I have about 2 eggs, one in the morning, one in the evening. And that's it, more or less. Before the competitions, we have something called the whey protein, which is actually made out of vegetables. So when I'm working out, only I use it, because these sort of proteins, for a normal person, he should never take it, because the output is not there. If the physical output is there, then the body accepts it. Otherwise, it will create a lot of problems.
అప్కమింగ్ పవర్ లిఫ్టింగ్ ప్లేయర్స్కి సో ఎలాంటి న్యూట్రిషన్ ఉండాలి, ఎలాంటి స్ట్రగ్లింగ్ ఉండాలి అని చెప్పేసి మీరు అంటున్నారు? అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఎట్లాంటి ప్రిపరేషన్ ఉండాలని చెప్పేసి?
See, the preparation is most important. You have to decide whether you want to play the sport or not. And if you decide, then you have to make sure that you're going to put everything into it. That is your mind, your body, and you're going to sacrifice a lot of other things. Because normally what happens, youngsters, they like to go here, go there, have fun. all those things you'll have to cut off. You have to have a stable diet. That diet can be given at home. Our food is not bad, our food is good. Maybe you'll need a few additional things like some proteins or vitamin things as as an additional support. But otherwise our regular food is good. The training should be right. The person you go to should train you properly, and you have to dedicate at least 3 hours every day of the week to the gym. And once you finish your workout, you rest. You come back home, have a nice bath, relax, have your dinner by about 9:30, 10. Minimum sleeping is for 8 hours for a simple reason. When you are working out, the body is not built and the muscles are not built or strengthened. They all tear and the ligaments and everything are pulled. So when you sleep and when you are resting, they join together and form muscle and core. These are the basics. From there, your coach will take you forward and tell you what you need and what you don't need. Hard work, dedication, clear mind and focus is the most important thing for anything in life, including this sport. There are no shortcuts, period, full stop.
సో మీరు 72 years ఓల్డ్ ఇప్పుడు. సో మీ అచీవ్మెంట్ ఏంటి అసలు? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ అచీవ్మెంట్?
Achievement in what you mean in sport? So far I have won 1 gold medal, 2 silver medals, 1 bronze medal in the National Powerlifting Championship. In the state, I have been winning regularly from the last 12 years. And so I have been focused. And the more important thing to this is that the juniors in our gym and in our district and our state, they won't let me go. So if as long as you're there, we have some motivation to carry on with others. So like a man who gives, a sort of what you call motivation to them, I still continue. Even these gentlemen, I tell them, my coaches, I think is enough. He said, no, you have to continue. But
ప్రజెంట్ మీరు ఏమైనా ట్రైన్ చేస్తున్నారా?
I don't train anybody because I don't have the time. But if anybody comes to me, then I will tell them what to do. Then ultimately it is left to them. And for me, it is something that I like to do. So I don't charge anybody any money for anything. If tomorrow he comes and tells me he wants something to be done, I'll 100% help him out.
పవర్ లిఫ్టింగ్ అంటే అదర్ గేమ్స్కి దీనికి కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది?
This is a totally different game. This is totally based on power. This is on strength and a little bit of technique. For this you need hard muscles, dedication. Anybody cannot do it. Anybody cannot do it. But all your muscles have to be toned. You have to regularly train with heavy weights. So the body has to take the strength. For that you have to build your body. So with that strength only then you can become a power lifter.
సో ఇంకా ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల వరకు మీరు ఈ పవర్ లిఫ్టింగ్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు?
I will participate till I drop dead. I have decided. Because see, by doing this I am staying fit. If I am staying fit, I feel nice, my mind is clear, I'm good with everybody. Anybody and everybody who needs some motivational thing, I talk to them, they are happy with me. The situation is always win-win situation for me, so I am not going to give up.
సో తనకి 72 సంవత్సరాలు వచ్చినప్పటికి కూడా ఇంకా ఈ పవర్ లిఫ్టింగ్ గేమ్ని వదిలేది ప్రసక్తే లేదని చెప్పేసి తెగేసి చెప్తున్నారు. అయితే రానున్న అప్కమింగ్ ప్లేయర్స్కి ఖచ్చితంగా మజిల్ పవర్, చిన్న టెక్నిక్ ఉంటే ఈ గేమ్లో రాణించవచ్చు అని చెప్పేసి చెప్తున్నారు. అయితే దాదాపు కావాల్సింది మంచి న్యూట్రిషన్, ఫోకస్, గేమ్ మీద ఫోకస్ పెట్టి చేస్తే తప్పకుండా విజయాలు సాధించే అవకాశాలని చెప్తున్నారు. కెమెరామెన్ అన్వికేత్తో వసంత్, సై టీవీ, హైదరాబాద్.
ఈ వీడియోకు సంబంధించిన పూర్తి సమాచారం మరియు ఇతర క్రీడా విశేషాలను saisports.in లో చూడగలరు.